All right.
Ready?
I'm ready.
My prop box is the ice cream shop or ice cream parlor, and the name of it's the Scoops. One of the kids helped me pick it out today, so they're helping me put it together, the last pieces of it. The kids will learn just creativeness and using their imagination for their experience if they've been to an ice cream shop before, which many people either have, or they eat ice cream from or they just buy the cartons, with their parents. But they'll be able to socialize, and this will be in dramatic play, and they'll be able to, use what they know about going to the shop and be able to have their own. Some vocabulary, I put parlor, because not many people have heard of parlor. They've heard of the ice cream store, the ice cream shop. My daughter calls it the ice cream place, just anything. Scoop, not many kids might not know a scoop of ice cream. Or menu, most people know what it is, but some people don't go out to eat. They don't know if they have a menu. So in my prop box, and I'll get to the other questions afterwards, but a cash register. And I really thought we were supposed to make a lot of this stuff, so a lot of it certainly is made. Chocolate ice cream. And then a vanilla little bit. We made popsicles.
Oh, that's
out of
cute.
popsicles. Obviously, they won't be able to lick them and
Right.
eat them, so we would make sure they knew that. Little cups if they want a cup of ice cream, and the little spoons, which this I actually got from my second job, so that's there. We got some fake money I just made, and then I also have real money, well not real money, but the paper money is other kind. Then a banana for banana split. Hershey's shell, this is actually their stuff in here, but I have to return it to a coworker. Cool Whip, because we didn't have an empty spray one, so. Then we have paper and pencils if they need to take an order. Aprons. I have 2 of them. Then sprinkles, and then some of the employees there wear like a visor, so I made the little visor. And I put fun in the sun, because a lot of times you eat ice cream in the heat when it's hot outside, even though I could eat it all year long. Then, this is my other crafty idea, because I thought we'd make a lot of it. Own ice cream cones, and I made a bunch of different sizes.
That's cute.
And then for this, I would use cotton balls for like the little ones, and buy like the bigger size for the bigger ones. That could be an actual good math idea for them, counting them and putting them in the ice cream cone. A menu. Ideally, the way I would do the menu for the kids in a preschool room is I'd have a picture of or something to resemble like brown for the chocolate ice cream, and then actually for the price, I would trace like a quarter and put the amount on it, on each thing, and then put a real like picture of $1, or put one of these on there so they can actually visualize it. Same with like the toppings, like the chocolate chips, I'd have it there so they could actually see it. This is just another activity for ice cream. It's a math activity. They get to count the ice creams and the ice cream cones, and little, hopefully they're chocolate chips. But then I have this too. It's an ice cream scoop game, and you need a scooper, ice cream scooper.
Oh, cool.
And then it has the different kinds and different stuff on there. So that could go, that's in the math area. introduce the ice cream parlor. I could say, has anybody been to the ice cream shop lately, or the ice cream place? We went, cause my daughter's in the class, in the preschool classroom I work in the morning, so she basically tells everybody what we do anyways. And she'll be like, oh, I get ice cream, and then, it starts up a conversation. Oh, I got ice cream yesterday too, and I had chocolate, and I had vanilla, and I had sprinkles, and my daughter would be like, oh, well, I had chocolate because I don't like chocolate. It's the only thing she eats that's sweet, it's chocolate, but, I'd basically bring out the items. If I wanted to start the prop box, like, from scratch, we'd sit around after, like, that kind of conversation, and I'd ask them, what kind of things do you find in an ice cream shop? Do you know anybody who works in an ice cream shop? And then they could help build it, and then I'd ask them, what can we use for a scooper? And they might bring a spoon or anything. Family involvement, I could ask parents to donate some stuff, just to add more stuff, or the kids could go home and say they wanna donate, they wanna bring in, a scooper, they wanna bring in an empty thing of sprinkles. Another idea would be, after the week, I'd first send home a letter in the beginning of the week saying that we're doing an ice cream theme, if I wanted to do it, if it was planned. Then, I would have an ice cream social, like at the end of the week, for the parents, so they could come in and do it with us, and have it with us. And also, ask the parents, a family activity at home would be to possibly go to an ice cream shop, and then when they get home, draw a picture of like what they remember, or what they saw, or what kind of ice cream they had, and then the parents could just write down on the paper what they did, or what the picture is all about, and then they could come to school and tell about their picture in front of the class, like in a group time. For the bonus, obviously, there's a lot of math things that I had, activity-wise, they could do in the math center. When they bring the paper back, if they went to the ice cream shop and did the picture in the paper, that'd be like language, and we could do that in the language area. And science, we could make our own ice cream. I don't know the recipe or anything like that, but it's I know we've done it before.
Put in a container and shake and make
Yeah.
ice cream, yeah.
And then after, we could do a chart of everybody's favorite ice cream.
Nice.
And that's about it.
One thing I would say